How to install macOS from pendrive. You need a pendrive with bootable OS. I have macOS Monterey. Just insert the pendrive in USB port. Connect the charger because you should have at least 50% charge to install the Mac OS. Hold option key and then press power button and wait for it to start. It will show you three options or 4 depending on your OS. I am seeing 2 OS here. The internal disk is erased, that's why you are not seeing anything other than that. Select your desired OS and then hit enter and wait for it to load. After a while you will see this option over here. So the second option that you need to do to install macOS, but before that we are going to erase the disk. So go to disk utility, hit continue. You will see your Macintosh HD internal disk over here. Just click on show all devices and select the Apple SSD and then erase it. Name it Macintosh HD. Partition should be APFS or macOS journaled. Partition scheme should be GUID. Hit erase. Wait for a moment. Now it's erased. So close this window. Select install macOS Monterey. Hit continue. You will see this option over here. Hit continue again. Then you have to accept for terms and condition, something like license agreement, like this. Click on agree. Select your erase disk, which is Macintosh HD. Click on continue and wait for I think 1 hour, and it will be done within an hour. Done.